This is an emergency broadcast. I wanted to bring this to you instead of waiting 24 hours to get the information out. I wanted to show you what has been happening right now with Evergrande and how the contagion is absolutely occurring. They told you don't worry about it. They told you it wasn't going to happen, but it is. It is right now. Let's go. Take a look at this. Chinese developer misses bond payment as stress spreads beyond the Evergrande crisis. Rating agencies have downgraded Chinese developers, Fantasia Holdings and Cynic Holdings over risks from their strained cash flow situations. That's big. Two things already. Fantasia Holdings did not repay a bond that matured on Monday. It said in a filing to the Hong Kong Exchange on Monday night. Here we go. Another level here. The real estate sector in China accounts for as much as 15% of the GDP. That's not good. When you see a slowdown, when you see problems, that starts to spell disaster, okay? Because it has a knock-on effect. It's got the domino effect. On the heels of the Evergrande debt crisis, there are increasing signs of stress in China's property market after one developer failed to make a bond payment on Tuesday. They downgraded, as you already heard. The firm halted tradings of its shares since September 9th until further notice. It said those shares have plummeted nearly 60% to date. This is going on. It's not just Evergrande. Evergrande's the center. Evergrande's the big boy, but it's not the only one. Evergrande contagion fears. The fallout from Fantasia, however, would be small compared to Evergrande. But remember, it's one step at a time. Was Lehman really a massive company? Was it, the Bear Stearns that really took everything, knocked it off its heels? No, that's not the way it works, okay? There are events that happen. It's a cascade. Looking at this, Fitch Ratings downgraded it to a CCC minus from the B, saying the firm's cash flow situation could be tighter than we previously expected. Just like the AAA rated garbage during the housing crisis, whatever. According to its website, CCC means substantial credit risk. So anyway, regardless, we don't know necessarily what they say is going to actually unfold. And just because they rate something a certain level, like is US debt really AAA? Some would disagree with that, but regardless, we have to understand what's going on underlying all of it, okay? There is a rotten system right now. The shadow banking in China alone is $32 trillion. We believe the existence of these bonds means that the company's liquidity situation could be tighter than we previously expected. The late payment also raises doubts about the company's ability to repay its maturities on a timely basis. They're going into this more. I just think that it's not one company, but it's more. This, another one, they're saying another real estate developers on the radar of investors. It said last month it was raising as much as $2.5 billion by borrowing from major shareholders and selling a subsidiary. Is this the solution? Is this actually going to resolve any of the problems? I think not. This is all about damage control right now. That's it. I'm not going to cover any more information. If you appreciated this, just support me by clicking the thumbs up button. Let's continue to dig into this detail. I'll bring you all the information you need to know. See you on the next one.